Hello everyone, this is Carol, and in today's video I'll show you a brand new feature we have just added to make publishing on Instagram even easier and more powerful. We have added tags. Now you can tag whatever person you want. Until now, when posting your content to Instagram through Late, you couldn't tag anyone directly. You had to wait until the post was published and then edit it and add the tags manually. That meant extra steps and wasted time, but now that has changed. Let's start. I'll show you how to do it. Once we are inside our dashboard, let's create a new post just like we normally would. First, we have to select the content we want to publish. Then we choose the date and time for the post. We can schedule it for later or publish now or save as a draft. After that, we select Instagram as the publishing platform along with any other platforms we want. And we have to specify the type of Instagram content. For example, I don't know, maybe a reel, a story, feed post, carousel. Now, here is where the new features comes in. If we scroll further down, we'll see a new option to add Instagram collaborators. And right below that, we will find the option to tag people directly into our photo. Not only we can choose which accounts to tag, but we can also decide the exact position of each tag on the image. This is done by using coordinates. The X and the Y values goes from 0.0 left to top to 1.0 right bottom. For example, 0.5 and 0.5 places the tag right in the center of the image. You can also add tags programmatically through the Late API. Check the API documentation, here is, to see how to add Instagram tags automatically when creating posts via API. This is especially useful for developers or teams who want to automate tagging at scale without using the dashboard manually. This way, whether manually in the dashboard or via API, you can tag people and control the position of the tags before the post goes live. This makes it easier than ever to give credit, collaborate with partners, and boost your reach by tagging the right accounts before your post goes live. So yeah, that's all. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and see you in the next one. Bye!